Farmville life starts with plowing. Hello, the real Farmville life. This is the real Farmville life. That's Kathleen. Real Farmville life.
Kathleen, ikaw nila magtanggal ng damo. Ano ka?
This is plowing. We're at plowing.
Gaite, nasan ka na?
Real Farmville life. This is way more than real.
Yeah, this is so hard.
Arg.
Bakit sa Farmville?
Ito na nga. Real Farmville life.
Virtual. Pamilya lang yan.
Tada! Real Farmville life.
Yan, sige yun.
And then, after farming, you relax under the sun, under a tree, just like Ella. And making some emo. Emote. People applying some powder. Biel! Ah!
May tao ka.
Real Farmville life, yo.
Dennis,